welcome to Highlight Couponers. So today we are here with the Kroger Black Friday ad preview. Unfortunately, this is only at the Kroger Marketplace, which is so annoying because we don't have a Kroger Marketplace. I know my Kroger actually sells a lot of these items. This just says Kroger Marketplace. So I take it my local Kroger is not going to honor these sales, but I'm not 100%. It might be worth just running in on that day anyways and just seeing if they're going to honor it, but no idea. So we'll have to see. Doesn't specify an opening. Probably whenever Kroger usually opens. Your store could even be 24 hours. I have no idea. It depends on the area. All right, so this is just for marketplace stores. So we have a 50% off extra bonus. That thing, we talked about that in my other Kroger ad for this week. You should go check that out if you haven't already. There is a Kroger ad preview for this next upcoming sale, which actually looks decent. So do some TVs here. I'm not too excited about that because Target and Walmart have some TVs for cheaper. Half off of socks, underwear, and bras right there. Half price on the board and card games. $50 for an Instant Pot. That's not too shabby. If they sell out other places, you might want to check Kroger because I've not really seen them too much cheaper than $50. All right, some sleepwear. $5 for sleep pants is a very good price. I don't know if I've really seen them cheaper elsewhere as of yet. This is great deals. 70% off of sweaters and 60% off boots. Now, this is probably one of the best deals in the ad. $20 for Levi's jeans. Levi's are pretty expensive stuff, men and women. So I'm excited. I think that's a great deal. I am really looking forward to, well, I can't get it, so, but yeah, besides the point. That's a great deal. $7.99 for the graphic tees. And then they do have some kitchenware items, which these things, if you can do mail-in rebates and all that kind of stuff at Kohl's and JCPenney and all that, they might be a little bit cheaper. But if you just want no gimmicks, you just want to go in and pay $15, you can do it at Kroger. Rubbermaid, mason jars, and some gingerbread houses. That's nice. This is good. The as seen on TV stuff is half price. The rest of this I'm not too excited about. The KitchenAid, $200. That's the same as like Walmart and Kohl's and stuff like that. But at Kohl's, you get Kohl's cash, so you might as well get it there. I would do Kroger kind of as a last, like if somewhere else runs out of stuff, I will go to Kroger and get it at this point. Because the prices are good, it's just you can get some extra little gimmicky stuff at other places for buying it there. Extra perks. Now, half off as seen on TV, that's very nice. Toys, some pretty discounted toys here. Kids would probably love this stuff. Okay, Christmas items are half off. And then if I can get my dumb computer to work. No, let me move it. Hold up, sorry. Oh, good, here's the hours. 6 a.m. to 1 a.m. And some stores are 6 a.m. to midnight, and there's another one that's 24 hours. So keep that in mind. It'll vary depending on whenever it hits Friday. A Google Home for $19. That's a good one, actually. It's very, very cheap. Wireless earbud set. Oh my gosh. Oh, you get a speaker, headphones, and earbuds. I really, really want that. That is awesome. I'm a little devastated that my local Kroger is not going to have this. It does say they have it at Newark though, so I don't know. I doubt I'll drive there just for that, but I really like that. Like, that's so cool. I'd love that because I've wanted the wireless headphones and earbuds. Like, I wanted both. So that I'd love that. Darn it, I wish they had that here. It, like, makes me so mad. But these are the stores it says it's good at. And keep in mind your area will be different, but it has to be a marketplace Kroger. So, yeah, that's all that I got. I hope you guys enjoyed this ad preview. Hope you found some deals you want to do. And thank you guys for watching.